Bullish ARK cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.36 and $2.57 by 2030. Market investigators accept ARK could reach $1.06 by 2025. Bearish ARK market cost expectation for 2023 is 24 cents. ARK presentation. ARK plans to make the most common way of making a blockchain more straightforward for people who maintain that should do as such with the assistance of its biological system. Clients can modify different components, including charges, money, and modules, in a way like that of a web designer. The essential money interfacing this multitude of created networks together is called ARK. The ARK cost is down 17.44% as of late, notwithstanding having a wealth of utilization cases. We should become familiar with ARK's set of experiences first, and afterward bounce into its cost forecast. What is ARK? Designers can construct their own blockchain utilizing the ARK environment. Interoperability, layouts, and customization are only a couple of benefits of making your own undertaking on the ARK blockchain. Indeed, even while chasing after a blockchain venture might seem troublesome, ARK has made it as basic as could really be expected. That was the thinking behind choosing JavaScript and TypeScript as the biological system's essential programming dialect. The ARK deployer instrument is utilized to begin an engineer's blockchain. Information handles that can be altered incorporate name, exchange costs, ticker, image, and others. This offers the engineers the capacity to plan a blockchain that works for them. Designers can arrange their groups utilizing the instrument's administration framework. The ARK Programming Improvement Pack, which gives additional customization choices including cache determination, is one of the designer devices accessible. The numerous modules and local wallet of ARK can be utilized by projects based on it. The biological system's money, called ARK, has numerous applications. For the most part, network clients and designers use it as a speedy and reasonable stockpiling of significant worth. A appointed confirmation of stake agreement is utilized by Bitcoin, in which 51 representatives are assigned to vouch for or manufacture blocks. By permitting token holders to stake their tokens to pick a representative, ARK decreases the worries of centralization that have distressed different organizations. ARK Basic Investigation. The ARK organization and its local coin was sent off in 2017. The typical exchanging cost of the ARK coin was 3 cents then. At that point, regardless of the underlying absence of action, it turned bullish at the finish of the year and encountered its biggest forward leap. Starting in December, the second cycle of ARK was delivered, and thus its base cost esteemed soared. That very day, its wallet was likewise refreshed, improving the representative democratic UI. ARK took off to a greatest worth of $10.91. It couldn't keep up with this greatest cost level, however, and during the next months it fell sharply. By the finish of that year, the cost of ARK had essentially declined from $1 shutting 2018 at 38 cents. Up until its ensuing bounce back over 2 years after the fact, it exchanged beneath past normal cost. Jerk's mix of the tipping framework CoinKit in 2021 made it feasible for clients to tip designers on the live streaming site by sending them ARK. The biological system likewise completed its Market Square highlight in late walk and made it accessible to ARK colleagues, making walk a bustling month. Before long, ARK encountered its greatest cost ascend to $3.98. Soon thereafter in September, ARK again moved toward that level. The organization's third forum went live. This redesign improved the biological system's apparatuses, framework, and numerous different elements. It saw one more convention in 2022 as another update to Forum 3 went live, which fixed messes with and further developed security. ARK crested at a greatest worth of $1.67 then, however has since fallen and is exchanging at least cost of 77 cents. ARK Specialized Investigation. Most of forecasters have positive expectations for ARK. As per wallet investors' value projection of the ARK coin, it is an astounding speculation that will transcend $1 in a year and afterward outperform the $3 mark in 5 years. Tech News Leader predicts that the cost of ARK digital money will outperform the ongoing price tag of $1 this year and cross $3.50 in 5 years. In 10 years, the ARK cost figure is at a most extreme cost worth of $21. Price prediction made a comparable figure, foreseeing that the ARK coin will exchange at a typical cost of more than $3.50 in 5 to 6 years. It extends that the greatest cost of ARK Cash will be more than $24 in 10 years. ARK current cost. ARK has moved 0.67% as of now with an exchanging volume of $4,938,278. ARK is as of now positioned 351 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $50,641,322 USD. ARK Value Forecast 2023. ARK, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The ARK cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 45 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 42 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. ARK is supposed to have a base worth of 36 cents. ARK value expectation 2024. In 2024, ARK cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ARK will before long outperform 75 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the ARK's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ARK will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 60 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 66 cents. ARK value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.06 and ARK might benefit, on the off chance that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. ARK is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 96 cents and a low of 90 cents in 2025. ARK value forecast 2026. On the off chance that ARK effectively helps market opinion among digital money fans, the ARK coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ARK will be green in 2026. The ARK is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.36, with a base cost of $1.21 and a typical cost of $1.27. ARK value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ARK cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.57 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.51 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ARK has a greatest value worth of $1.66. ARK value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.88. In the event that ARK figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $1.97. Neglecting to assemble the help ARK needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1.82. ARK value forecast 2029. While ARK is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $2.12 and a yearly cost close above $2.27 in 2029. ARK value expectation 2030. By 2030, ARK will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $2.42 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $2.57, averaging out at $2.48. ARK value forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price